Are you troubled by these issues? Chronic vaginal pain, urinary incontinence, vaginal laxity. It's all due to pelvic floor weakness. Elektra, your personal pelvic health coach. Elektra combines innovative electrostimulation with classic weighted balls to energize your pelvic muscles and restore elasticity. Designed specifically for women, Elektra uses medical-grade silicone, safe, non-toxic, and luxuriously soft for maximum comfort. With the app's professional training system, you'll receive detailed tutorials, track your progress, and ensure precise training. Effortlessly restore your pelvic floor sensitivity. Unlike regular Kegel balls, Elektra uses gentle, low-level electric pulses at 5450 Ms to stimulate local blood circulation in your pelvic floor and accelerate cell repair. Gentle yet effective, Elektra provides soft stimulation that strengthens your pelvic floor without any discomfort. Elektra allows you to receive treatment at home, feeling muscle changes while simply lying down. Enhance yourself anytime, anywhere. Making health and beauty effortlessly within reach. Elektra, your personal pelvic floor coach.